Grand Rising, friends. So this year we are expanding on some other new areas where we are planting, and we've noticed we have two types of soils on our 5 acres. So more towards the south area, the soil has a lot of aggregate, very good drainage, and the aggregate is pretty nice size. When you get to this area, which is more on the northern side, we notice that the soil is a lot more sandy, more compact, so that does affect when you plant. So pretty much everything is built from scratch here. Like when we moved here, it was nothing but desert bushes of one type and a few Joshua trees, literally. So everything we've done here has been from scratch. So this year we made one of the corn sections here. We try to get the soil prepared as good as possible by tilling it, adding the fungi, adding the rabbit manure, minerals, things like that. And this year, the corn is doing good so far. We've had some very hot weather the last week. It's tell you the truth, it's what we usually get out here around July, so it's not really a big thing that they're trying to make it. But it has been like 101, 103, I think 104 were like the hottest, and then it dropped down yesterday to like 88 because we had some monsoon rain, which is always good for the plants. So it's been a lot of humidity in the air, which is also good too. Not so dry. So this is the corn area, and so far the corn is doing pretty good. We've just tried to water it almost daily since it's so dry and hot, and then we get those winds that just zap up all the moisture. You can see, I think I planted these, and I need to think about when I planted them. I wrote it down, but so far they're doing good. We did put a lot of mulch on top, as you can see here, a lot of wood chips, which helps tremendously in retaining the moisture. And we did put a little fence around here just to keep any little critters out. We haven't really had any problems with critters over here. Got one that's taller than all the corn. So basically we're just trying to keep the corn hydrated so they don't dry out. It's pretty much the main thing that we try to do over here.